Hi, today I will show you how to make a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. For this tutorial, I will use Microsoft Office 2010. So let's start from the beginning. I am going to create a new folder. Here I am going to create a new Excel sheet. In new worksheet, so we can give this sheet a name. It's like data. We named it data. To make our tutorial easy, I take some data from other sources. Here you can see some data or ABC trading company's data. You can see here the customer, product, salesperson, region, order date, sales in BDT, year, month and quantity in the figure. All the data are in the table format or column. You have to make sure that your data are in a column format. From the perspective of business professionals, everyday life, we handle this type of data. So creating a pivot table from this data is regular work. We can see from top to bottom. Here in the bottom you can see the blank cells. Here no data are in these areas. To make a pivot table, first of all you go in the top cells as like customers. First steps is you have to select all the table. You can select all the table by dragging from top to bottom as like this, or in by shortcut you can select all the table from top to bottom. Just press control shift space bar. Remember guys, the shortcut keys are control shift space bar, and you can see the whole table are selected. After the selection you need to press control shift T. Remember guys, the shortcut keys are control shift T. After pressing the control shift T, you can see in the bottom area, after clicking the control shift T, by built-in it's creating a drop down menu. If you click the drop down menu you can see the average, count and max, minimum, and is like some other functions. From this drop down menu you can see your sales data in the average, in the maximum number, in the minimum and other things. So after this you need to go your in Excel top menu functions area, like insert options. After clicking the insert options, you can see by built-in one function is pivot table. That means Excel have built-in a function name is pivot table. To creating the pivot table, this built-in function helps us. So to making the pivot table, you need to click the pivot table options, and you can see the table functions. That means from the row number 2, after from the row number 2 to whole table are selected, but you need to show in pivot table your customer name, product and salesperson, all the things you need to show. So you have to select all the table area here. After clicking the pivot table, the dialog box is showing the 2 and 3 things. First one is select a table or range. That means which table you need to convert a pivot table. So your table range need to select. In this cursor you can see I am going to click this and selecting the whole table from top to bottom by dragging the cursor and clicking the this area, and now you can see the whole table are selected. And by built-in Excel gives the name is table 1. That means your whole table is renaming by table 1. And after this after this selecting a table or range, you can see a use external data source, but we don't need this because we have already the source of this data. That means whole table. So we don't need to click the external data source because our data are in this sheet. The next is after the selection of table, here you can get options. Choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. That means which worksheet or Excel sheets you have to present your pivot table. If you want to present in this existing sheet, you can select the existing worksheet. If you want to show your pivot table in new worksheet, then you click the new worksheet. So today we show the how pivot table present in new worksheet. So that we select the new worksheet and click the OK. After clicking the OK, you can see our data are converting into a new sheet. That means the sheet number 1. So we give this sheet a name pivot table 1. So our previous sources or data are in the data sheet. You can click and getting the data, previous data, and our new pivot tables are in the new worksheet whose name is pivot table 1. In this area we will show our pivot table. You can see in the left side one dialog box whose name is pivot table 1 here, and you can see in the right side a pivot table field list. Here you can see the 5 sections of, that means here all the top menus are present in the field add report, and below this you can see the report filter section, column labels, row labels, and values. 4 areas are here. The important things is if you click in any of the section of this sheet. Now let's see your right sections or dialog box are hidden, and if you click the pivot table area, and you can see the right sections are back. So you need to present or your data to find in this file. You need to click in the pivot table area, that means this area. In when you click in this area, you can see your top menus in the Excel file, options and design. If you click in others area in your worksheet, you can see the options and design options are hidden. So design and options will be back if you click in the area. So you can see that the right side the pivot table field list, which can be removed from this area by dragging this, and you can set it in such area you like, such as here or here. If you but if you want to fix it in the right side, then click in on the double on the above, then the pivot table field list will be fixed. If you click on the close sign, that means click in the cross sign, that you can see the field list is gone. So if you want to back it, then you click on the options, then go through in the field list and click the field list. Then you now we will show how pivot table can be made by your choice. Here are the list of our top menus, and we want to show our product in row level. Then click on the product and dragging it and paste it in the row level. If you want to show your sales figure in the month or yearly basis, then you can select on the month and drag it in the column level, and you can see the result in the left side of the sheet. And also you want to show the sales in figure, then drag and paste it in the values, and you will see the result, how much your sales and your product in the month of the year. To show the salesperson or customer who sells your product, then drag it and paste it here, and you can see the result, your product 7-Up or Coca-Cola under the salesperson name. And if you want to show the salesperson on the top of the product, then you can just drag the salesperson and paste it on the above, then you will see the result, how much Abdul Qayyum the salesperson sell, how much your product, and by monthly data. You can show and you can show your pivot table by your choice. You can customize your table in various ways. If you want to print this portion, then you can just select it from the top to bottom and go through the file section and click in the print area, and you will see the result. Like to print it on your choice. So that's all about our tutorial. Now you can make your pivot table in your. Thank you for watching our tutorial and wait for next tutorial.